Hello, welcome to my channel. So, have you had oat swallow before? Today, I'm going to make a big batch for my family, and I thought that I would show you how I do it. So, this is a regular porridge oat. I got this from Lidl, and this pack cost 70p. Now, I'm just going to pour this into the blender, just about half full, and then I let the blender do its magic. I'm going to show you the consistency that I have here. So it's not too smooth. It's just like the consistency you get with gari. Now you can do several batches of this and put them in an airtight container so that you can always have access to it whenever you need it. So yeah, let's go to the stove and I'll show you how to do the rest.